Hey there, beautiful people out there, it's me again. So it's time for another pregnancy bump date. Yes, you guys, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I am officially 9 months pregnant. Like, I am 9 months pregnant. Oh my gosh, like, can y'all believe it? If you've been with me since the start of my pregnancy journey, from the bottom of my heart, like, thank you so much. I mean, this has been a journey. If you've been watching my updates, also my vlogs, it's been an up and down situation from like the time I had my miscarriage to now. But you know what? I'm so thankful for the journey. It really has opened my eyes to a lot. It really humbled me. To me, I feel like I'm more closer to God. I mean, I've always been closer to God, but like in the midst of trials and tribulations, or you know, not knowing what to do, or with all the stress and you know, whatever that I dealt with, you know, I felt like I prayed my way through, and it made me closer to God, and it really humbled me to just relax and know that God's got you through this whole situation. Here I am at 37 weeks, 4 days, about to give birth to my baby boy. So won't he do it? Yes, he will. Woo, hallelujah. Woo. So yes, I'm 9 months pregnant, 37 weeks. I told you guys that they gave us 2 ultrasounds. So the one by the ultrasound was on the 23rd, and my menstrual cycle is the 29th. But we've been going off of the 29th because when we were given 2 due dates last time with Maddie, she ended up coming on the period due date and not the ultrasound due date. So, and I'm not rushing for him to come out. How some women are like over being pregnant at a certain point in their pregnancy. Like, I'm not at that point. I know it might be crazy to hear that, but I'm not over being pregnant. I'm just, I guess with everything I've dealt with, which I'll talk about, I just want him to come out so he doesn't have to feel what I have been enduring. So that's my piece of that. But not saying like, oh, I'm so ready to go, I'm so over being pregnant, oh, I hate my body, you know, I'm really surprised that I have not complained. So I'm very proud of myself actually. So that's why I want to enjoy these last couple of weeks and, you know, just do what I can to enjoy the journey, because I don't know, it may be a while before I have another kid. At this point, I'm good with what I have. I have my girl and my boy, so I'm blessed. Okay, so we're gonna do what to expect baby app. Your baby is as big as a winter melon, measuring at 19 to 22 inches, 6.5 pounds, and the count now is 2 weeks and 3 days. Everybody's having their babies already. It's like that. I'm just sitting here like, so you coming today or no? But like I said, I'm not rushing it at all. When he's ready to come, he's ready to come. First of all, my weight gain because I know I still, like a lot of people say I'm all belly, like I'm real small, petite or whatnot, but I am the biggest I've ever been in my life. Before I was pregnant, I was 112. You guys know I have weekly appointments now. So last week I weighed in the 150s. So that's the biggest I've ever seen me ever in my life, the biggest I've ever felt in my life. But you know what? As much as I wanted to be thick back in the days, like, I mean, y'all, I wanted to be thick, honey, like thick thighs, Coke bottle, big boobs and all that. It's kind of weird being the weight of being thick, but you know, it is what it is. So hey, I'm enjoying it because at least I'm thick now. But no, all jokes aside though, but I am the biggest I've ever been. And even with Maddie, like, I did not weigh this much when I delivered her. Like, when I delivered her I was 144, and now I'm in the mid 150s. So it is what it is. But you know, like I said, I'm enjoying the thickness, I'm enjoying the, you know, the extra chin and all that. I'm not swollen or anything because I drink a lot of water. They say when you swell, that's a bad sign. I'm not sure how true that is, but like, I'm not swollen at all. My feet are fine. My face is fine. I don't think it's swollen at all, but I do feel heavier. I can see more fullness in my cheeks and all that. So I don't know, it's happy weight, I guess. But I love it. But once I drop this baby, I would definitely be back at the gym, hardcore, get myself toned, not necessarily losing the weight, but I just want to tone back up. I'm not really big on the snapback or whatever, but I do want to get back toned and everything, so we will be doing that. So speaking of, from this point on, I want to do more pregnancy videos because, you know, my pregnancy is about to be over. I haven't been feeling well, so I want to knock out a few more pregnancy videos because once I'm done with pregnancy, I won't be able to do any more pregnancy videos. So I want to do a few more before my pregnancy is over, so I hope you guys don't mind. I know you guys want to see some hair tutorials or, you know, some kid videos, which will come, and I think I would do those and post those on Saturdays, but for the time being I do want to knock out these pregnancy videos and everything, just so that way I can look back and all that and you guys can enjoy the rest of my pregnancy. So for the past couple of weeks I've been experiencing some severe headaches, which are like pretty much migraine like headaches and all that. So I've been in and out of the hospital trying to figure out what's wrong, and honestly at this point they can't find exactly what's wrong. They gave me stronger Tylenol to help ease the pain. That has been helping. I've been drinking tons of water. I reduced my sugar intake. I've been doing everything I can to help release some, you know, some tension on my head. It's just only on my right side. It's just my right side in my eye and right here or whatnot. And I mean, I've done everything. Used peppermint oil. I've been sniffing it, putting it on my hand, my temple. So I went back to the hospital. If you guys are following my vlogging channel, you guys know all of these details. My midwife, she referred me to a neurologist. So I went to see the neurologist. I got an MRA or MRI, whatever they call it during pregnancy. So my results came back and they were normal. No aneurysms, nothing looked abnormal. Like my results were normal and everything. So they don't even know what's wrong. Just monitoring my daily activity, I noticed that when I'm sitting still or I'm not moving a lot, that's when I feel the headache. But as soon as I'm up and moving, it's there, but it starts to go away. So I think I just need to keep myself active. I need to keep my blood flowing and everything. So that's why for the next couple of weeks until I have this baby, I want to stay active. I want to keep, I'm like, even my midwife, she said that I need to be walking every day. I need to be at least working out some way or somehow. I just want to work out to keep my blood flow circulating and to just, you know, keep myself active, because like when I was having these headaches, I mean, I was laying down a lot. Only God knows the real reason as to why I've been having these headaches. From monitoring my body and just taking notes of, you know, when this is happening, how, you know, how frequent it's happening, the less movements I do, the more I feel the headaches. But when I'm up and moving and all that, then that's when I don't feel it as much, even though I can feel it there, but I don't feel it as much. So it's confusing, y'all, I know. So at this point the doctors can't help me, so you know, all I can do is just keep praying that I, you know, get some type of healing over my body. He said at this point a lot of moms have extra hormones, which could cause headaches in the head as well. And obviously I guess I'm probably just one of those moms, because with Maddie, like, I never experienced headaches or anything. I was totally fine. It's like that. So maybe I just have extra hormones which are causing cluster headaches to happen. I don't know. I can't tell you guys. I know, like, one of you guys sent me a picture of a neck heating pad. Oh my god, I really need that in my life. And it's funny because I went to TJ Maxx and I forgot to look for it. Oh my god, please forgive me if you're watching this. So I'm gonna get that, okay? I'm gonna get that because I'm willing to try anything. So if you guys have any home remedies, let me know down below, and trust me, I would do it, because at this point right now I'm good. Like, I'm okay. Like, I haven't taken any Tylenol and stuff like that because I've been up and moving, but just to be on the safe side, let me know down below. As far as the nursery goes, like I said, we're still in our regular house and everything, so we don't have a room for him per se, but we did transform our room to be our room plus his. So I'm so excited to show you guys. So if you guys are interested in a nursery tour, make sure that you are following my vlogging channel. If you guys are interested, I will post it on Wednesday for you guys to see what we came up with, how we set it up and everything. So if you guys are interested, like I said, make sure you're following my vlogging channel. I can link it here, and make sure you go check it out if you're interested. So I can't wait, and it just looks so good. So I'll probably do 1 or 2 more pregnancy updates, and then that should be it. So if you guys have any other pregnancy video suggestions, let me know down below as well, and I'll be sure to do those for you. So let's see the bump, shall we? See getting close, y'all. Whew. Whoa, girl. Woo. Yeah, you are dropping, baby. I got my cervix checked out and nothing's happening. Like, he's dropped, but he's so far up that, I mean, he's not doing anything right now. My body's not doing anything. My cervix is still thick as I'm getting, and I just don't know what else to do except wait for him to come. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next pregnancy bump date. Bye.